In this web video, we will solve the behavioral model of the HospitalHouseMD case. Here is a textual description of the case, and here I have already opened the class diagram of that case. Let's look at it in UML notation that's more readable. So let's look at the text. First thing we do is we try to understand the class diagram based on the text. The text is the following: HospitalHouseMD is a hospital that accepts patients with rare and often unexplained symptoms. Patients are assigned one or more doctors, which try to make a diagnosis for the sick patient. So we find here our patients, our doctors. Patients are assigned to doctors. We don't see an assignment link between patients and doctors, but the doctors pose diagnosis, and so in this way we have an indirect link between patients and doctors. A doctor can pose zero to many diagnoses for one patient. A patient can have zero to many diagnoses, each one posed by a doctor, and for a particular illness. And an illness has zero to many diagnoses that are posed for that illness by a doctor for a patient. Then the case says, for each illness, HospitalHouseMD has a database with all possible treatments. That's what we see here. Illness has zero to many treatments. Each treatment is for one illness. These treatments can be applied to any diagnosis and are accordingly executed. So a treatment is applied to a diagnosis, and so it gives rise to the object apply treatment, because a diagnosis is specific for a patient, so the treatment plan can be applied to many diagnoses, so that would be zero to many applied treatments. Each appliedment is for one diagnosis for one particular patient. And for a diagnosis, apparently you can apply zero to many applied treatments, probably because you can try one and then maybe a second one, I don't know, but okay. This is what the class diagram says. It's given, so we accept it as it is. So far we understand the complete EEG, so this is part 1 of the work.